Welcome to Cleaning and Disinfecting Classrooms for COVID-19. For details on how to use this course and all of its features, select Help in the upper right-hand corner. Ready to begin? Select Next. The outbreak of the coronavirus disease 2019, or COVID-19, has changed how we approach cleaning, disinfecting, and preparing to go back to school. There are certain tasks that allow staff and students to return to and stay in the classroom. These tasks include identifying areas that need to be disinfected, choosing chemicals for different types of surfaces, and creating a disinfection schedule. Cleaning and disinfecting are not the same thing. Cleaning with soap and water reduces the number of germs, dirt, and impurities on the surface. Disinfecting kills germs on the surface. It's not just about cleaning for dirt, it's about cleaning for health so everyone can return to the classroom safely.